I'm Blake Schar, and I'm the owner of the pub at the Fireside restaurant in Egg Harbor. The inspiration for opening up the pub side of things is casual fun. Weekends, football. We want you to have a great meal. Just because you're coming to a pub doesn't mean you're sacrificing the flavor and the excitement of the food. You're still gonna have a great meal and be wowed, hopefully, by the food that we're presenting to you. But you're watching the game with friends, having a couple of beers. First off, let's talk about the pork belly sliders. We've got nice crusty pretzel roll, lemongrass slaw, and then the pork belly, which I love. I like pork because it's so versatile. You can use the entire animal. Nice seared pork belly, topped with a little bit of Asian tangy barbecue. Up next, we've got the Uncle Sam burger. I mean, it doesn't get any more American than a good burger. Our burger is a blend of 3 different meats mixed into one, and then again, doesn't get any more American than lettuce, tomato, onion, pickle, Thousand Island dressing, and a slice of cheddar cheese with bacon. And finally, the black wings. Those are something that have come to the menu this year they've got this charred black look, like that you just left them in the oven 5 hours too long, because we marinate them in soy sauce overnight, 24 hours. But I say just try them, and then once they bite into them, you see their total facial expressions change. They're smiling, they're just so juicy. On the side, we've got a little cilantro lime mayo. You dip it in that, and that just gives you that cool, crisp flavor. It makes a perfect dish.